Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can replace the RAM or the hard drive in your notebook. This is pretty much just for PC notebooks. I'm not really sure if the Mac are the same, even though I've messed with a few of them. I've never really tried to replace anything in them. Okay, so this is pretty much the same for all notebooks. Well, all PC notebooks. So let's get started. So basically you're going to flip your notebook on the back, and you're going to see a few spots where there's screws. This is your wireless card. You can see the little icon right there. Maybe you can't in this video, but it's also there. Then you have the RAM right here, and the hard drive right here. Top. So let's take this apart, and I will show you how you can replace it. So I will start with the RAM. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver for this, by the way. So this should just come off pretty easily. I'm not really using a good screwdriver for this, but I'm going to do it anyway. As you can see, there's the RAM. You can pretty much just pop those out. I'm going to take them out real quick to show you. There you go. And then you can replace it. This is 512, I think. Oh, no, it's 2 gig. My bad. Anyway, so just put that back in real quick, and I will show you how you can replace your hard drive. Alright, so now I'll take the hard drive out. Or I'm not going to take it out, but I will take the back off so I can show you where you would replace it. I actually had to replace my friend's hard drive last week, 2 weeks ago, because his hard drive died. And you can get these on pretty much any tech websites, like or pretty much any store websites like eBay, Best Buy, and most new computers, new laptops anyway, use SATA hard drives, serial ATA hard drives, because they're faster. And there you can see the hard drive. Oh, maybe not. There's the hard drive. You can just pop that out and put a new one in. You'll have to remove a few screws for that though. So anyway, I know this video wasn't too interesting. It was pretty much just for computer people that don't have much experience. But if you needed to replace something in your laptop, that's pretty much how you do it. Next week I will be doing a video on the inside of a desktop PC and show you all the parts and tell you what you can replace. It's a lot easier to place stuff in desktop computers. So anyway, I hope this video was interesting to you, so make sure you rate it 5 stars, or no, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.